Welcome to the channel, where we bring you the latest updates on upcoming cars and bikes. Today, we are exploring the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle, an iconic vehicle that blends retro charm with modern innovation. The 2025 Beetle is designed to cater to both nostalgia lovers and those seeking a compact car packed with advanced features and a sleek design. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle retains its classic silhouette while incorporating contemporary elements that make it stand out. It features a more aerodynamic design with subtle curves and LED lighting for a refined yet timeless look. Under the hood, the Beetle offers multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient petrol variant, a hybrid option, and even an all-electric model, catering to diverse preferences and driving needs. These options ensure smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions for an eco-friendly drive. Step inside, and you will find a beautifully crafted interior that offers a blend of comfort and modern technology. The cabin is spacious for a compact car, with premium materials and ergonomic seating providing a comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. The Beetle comes equipped with an advanced infotainment system featuring a touchscreen interface, smartphone integration, and voice controls. Additional features like wireless charging, ambient lighting, and a premium audio system add to the luxurious feel of the interior. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle also prioritizes safety, offering a range of advanced features to keep you protected on the road. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. The sturdy build and multiple airbags further enhance the safety profile of the vehicle, making it a reliable choice for daily commutes or weekend getaways. Practicality is another highlight of the Beetle, with a surprising amount of cargo space for a car of its size. Whether it is a quick grocery run or a road trip, the Beetle adapts to your needs effortlessly. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for city driving, while its modern features ensure convenience and connectivity. If you enjoy learning about the latest cars and their features, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring detailed reviews, specs, and updates on the most exciting vehicles. Hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of car enthusiasts.